Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Bluetooth shortcut on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So all you have to do, right click anywhere on your desktop, go to new and click on shortcut. Now from here click on browse. So first what you want to do is expand this PC. Scroll down to where you'll find Windows, expand the Windows folder as well. And then you want to scroll down to where you will find a folder that says System32. So scroll down to where you'll find System32 folder and expand this. Now, once you expand this, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. You want to locate a file by the name of FSQUIRT. Again, FSQUIRT. So scroll down, you'll find it. It's very easy to identify as well because it has an icon of the Bluetooth. So you want to scroll all the way down until you find this file. You can also press anywhere and press F and it will take you down there as well. So you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, guys. You can also use the side bar here to scroll all the way down to where you'll find F, and here you'll find it, fsquirt.exe, and this is the Bluetooth. So I want to go ahead and click on that, then click on OK. Now from here click on next. You can go ahead and change the name. You don't have to name it like that. You can simply call it Bluetooth. So you can rename this. And once you rename that, click on finish and have a look at that. You have a Bluetooth shortcut on your desktop. So whenever you're ready, you can simply double tap on that, open it up, and it will give you the option to send or receive or transfer anything with Bluetooth. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.